In today's video, I want to guide you on how to set 2FA on your Gmail account, specifically on Google Authenticator. This process is very simple. Make sure you access your Gmail account like this. Tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Then go ahead and tap on Manage your account. Wait a few seconds for it to come up. Tap on Security and Sign in. Now scroll up until you have access to 2FA verification. Tap on it. Now it comes out like this. Then scroll up until you have access to Authenticator. Here you see that it indicates that I should add an authenticator. Tap on it. Now it comes out like this. If you have not downloaded this app on your device, you can do so right away by using Google Play Store if you use an Android phone, or App Store if you use an iPhone. And this device is an iPhone, so tap on this App Store to download this app on your device. In the moment it will be downloaded. Now go ahead and tap on Set Up Authenticator. Tap on it. It comes out like this. You have this option. Then tap on I can't scan. I don't want to scan. Tap on I can't scan. This is the code you need to copy. So you need to copy this code. Now copy, and I've copied this code. Then open the Authenticator app on your device. Tap on this plus icon. Tap on Setup key. It comes out like this. Then tap on this. Enter the name of your email address. Then enter the key here. Then tap on Add. Now it has added here. Take your lab. Copy this to copy the icon. Then come over to the Gmail address here. Tap on Next. Provide the code in the space provided here. Tap on Done. Then tap on Verify. Now it has been done successfully. See that to sign in now, your authentication has added. Then tap on Turn On. Now you can see it has turned on successfully. Our Google Authenticator has been enabled. That's all, guys. If you're able to do this and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. See you guys on my next video.